It is really heartbreaking to watch the clips of one young lady, talented lady, who got a life ahead, lost her life, killed by her husband, who was convicted recently for life imprisonment. Once you realize, so my suggestion is for both female and male. Once you realize that your partner is not suitable, or you guys are two different individuals and do not get along well, there are arguments, disputes, clashes, so it's better to decide early rather wasting your time. So part your, both of you, if you are not suitable, just go on opposite directions, separate from each other. It is good for both parties. Move on in your life. Be happy. Progress in your life. Rather trying to solve the problem. Once you realize that there is definitely you guys don't get along well, decide quickly. Don't waste your time. Don't waste other person's time. It is a good for your profession, for your mental health, for your physical health. The other thing is, do not involve other parties, whether they are your siblings, your parents, or other parties' parents, siblings, because they destroy everything. If, for example, there is a minor dispute, you guys can solve that dispute by discussing, by analyzing, reaching to some conclusion. But if other people are involved in your dispute, in your fight, then the end point is not a good for both of you, because they make things complicated and their ego is involved. Decide, both of you, on your own. Sit down, talk to each other. If both of you think that the differences are too much, you guys can't reconcile, just go away. Thank you very much for watching this video.